What is up, guys? Yo, I'm at home right now. I have nothing planned today, but I do have a project that I would like to finish up. A DIY project that I've been wanting to do for like the past 2 days. Finally, I got no work, my day off. I have a tiny little bit of a DIY project. Now, I think I said this in my last vlogs, I'm taking this time where I'm not working that much, given the circumstances and the pandemic situation that we're having right now. I'm lucky enough to be able to see this as a positive. I'm usually very busy. I got a lot of work, not that busy, but I'm usually like working. And when I'm saying I'm working, doing my part-time, so not able to do the YouTube thing. So this is like my window to concentrate on my YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is that I'm trying to do with this thing. So that said, I'm also concentrating on myself, making this is just a better thing for myself. I'm drinking water, more water right now, healthy stuff instead of Coke, Red Bull, and stuff that I usually do to get up and go to work. So I bought this thing on Amazon. It was quite cheap. I think it's from China. It has its level, its quantity. It's a 1,500 milliliters of water. I think that's around 3 gallons, I think, in gallons terms. But the only thing that I hate about this, it got this long thing. If you see my last vlogs, I literally hold this. I literally hold this like I'm going to camp or something, and that's how I move around Tokyo right now. So I bring this whole bottle because it doesn't fit in my bag. So I hold this whole bottle with that big camera, and it's just really bad. So I bought this. I saw this actually on the 100 yen store, Daiso. This is perfect. You usually put this, you got a bottle, you usually put this around the bottle, and that's how you hold the bottle. Now, you usually put a smaller bottle, but it won't fit here. But it does have this like strap handle thing, which resembles this guy. So, all I want to do is open up this guy, take this guy out, and then stick it to this. So it's a simple DIY project, and I got nothing to do, so I thought I'd make a video out of it. Follow me on this journey. See, I still got a little bit more water to go for today, but first I'm gonna get this out. I hope I don't ruin this. I can't open it. I'm gonna try something different. So I got this guy. That's gonna be strapped on my back, clipped on my bag. So this thing is gonna be handling. That's gonna be on the bottle, and all I gotta do is this. See? Perfect. So, oh my god, I got this guy. Think it should work. Got it. Boom. And then sew it in. It's perfect. Right, got everything out. This guy is dead to me. I just gotta sew this guy, and then we should all be good. Look how stiff that looks. Now I do have to, there are some strands here and there. I try to put a knot as close as to the fabric as I can, but I guess I'm not that good. So, but this works perfectly. Look at that. That's perfect. Let me get my bag. So here's my bag. Close this like that. So I think that goes here. Never thought of this. Where am I supposed to clip it on? Well, I got this guy right here. These two. Perfect. Right here. And then when I'm not drinking, just clip it on here. Woo! Look at that. And it'll be right here. It'll be hard to walk and run, but I think it's alright. That's it. That's it for the video. It's a short, I'll try to make it short. It's a short DIY project in this quarantine time that we have right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is literally what I could come up with in this very hard to create phase that I have right now. But yeah, the DIY project. Hope you guys are safe and staying at home, I guess, and try to, you know, maybe set yourself a goal. I'm setting quite a lot of goals for myself in this very weird time. I got plenty of time. It's very hard to not stay positive, but keep it positive. Try something or find something positive about this weird time and grow, I guess. Yeah, it's probably the only time that you can concentrate on yourself without work and all that, so it's perfect timing. But do be careful. Yes. Alright, that's it. Marco's dead, she's asleep. So I'm signing off. Good night. Well, not night. Well, you know, see you guys in the next one. Bye.